Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Today I'm gonna show you very effective flaxseed face mask. I'm gonna use 3 tablespoons flax seeds, and mix them with whole milk. Please don't forget to hit subscribe button. Apply the mask on your face. Now that we are using this mask, we need to know the benefits of this mask. It firms and lifts skin, shrink large pores, exfoliates skin, reduce oily skin, helps prevent and treat acne. It also has anti-aging properties that help slow fine lines and wrinkles. Avoid eyebrows and eyes because it's very sticky. Let it sit on your face till it's dry. Wash it off using regular water. By dry to reveal glowing and smooth skin.
हाँ है तो मैं इतनी देर से लगी थी। अब देख ओहो इतने सारे कपड़े खींचे होंगे।